I lived in the house. My sister bought that in 1978. She was 23 and she got killed on Lakeville Highway 2 weeks after that. And my parents then had moved out here from Florida, and so they moved into the house, and they've been there ever since. And my mom passed away 6 years ago, and so I've been here for 6 years. Anyway, my family lived in it, and then my parents passed it on to me. So that's how I have the property. And this used to be just my dad used to make a garden out here, a huge garden, yeah. My mother was constantly taking vegetables to the kitchen, you know, where they feed. Yeah. My sister had seen it, and she's the one who had suggested I build a little house out here. Well, the plan was I was building this to have it as a rental. And I remember thinking when it was first done, I thought it's very nice. And man, I'm glad I'm not going to live there. Because I was used to a lot more room, and it appeared to me not to be, you know, I have a lot of stuff. And so I'm going to have to let go of my stuff. Because I think I'm 99% sure that I'm going to stay here. Because it's been so comfortable. I might start crying. Yeah, it's you know, I didn't use most of the house anyway. My bedroom was upstairs. I had that nice outside deck, and I had a bunch of rooms downstairs, but I was never there. And this is really providing me everything I need. You know, I've really learned that I can live without my stuff. You know, and the tears come just because I have so much sentimentality. And many of my things are nice, big, beautiful antiques that were my great-grandmother's or my great-great-grandmother's. And I mean, like, I have an attachment to rocks that my father had. So that's my only big, because I haven't dealt with that yet. It feels clean, it feels fresh, it feels open because of the high ceilings, you know, and the windows and the sliding glass door. I mean, what more? And I'm definitely a plant person, but then having this deck out here is like, whoa! I just knew that I wanted a big deck all the way around. And so that's what I got. It's like I got heaven right there on the outside, and I don't have to water plants inside, you know. Yeah, so I'm quite pleased with it. And the way that it's set on the property, I'm real happy about. I had a fire in the house last year, and fortunately, your father was in the process of building this and nearly done with it, and I was able to move in here after 2 weeks. I'm just so grateful that this, you know, the universe can be really good to you. That it provided this for me to, you know, move into. You know, at the time, having gone doing the fire and stuff, I think I was in shock for quite a while, and I still have not yet truly processed what took place. So when I have to go through all my stuff, that'll be when the big emotional thing happens. But you know, you gotta let go. Roberto and his uncle Tio were the team that were doing the work here. They were a pleasure to work with. And the fact that knowing if something needs correcting or something that your dad is available, that Roberto's available for that. I gotta say, they were the hardest workers I've ever seen in my life. And I'd hear them laugh all the time. They'd talk and visit. Of course, I didn't understand anything that was being said, but they'd laugh. And I just thought, God, that is so cool. I mean, it was wonderful energy to be around. You know, it wasn't like irritating idiot men around. Sorry, I'm just being myself. It took me a long time to get here. Yeah, they were just delightful. And your dad was, you know, very good at saying what was going on, and yeah, it was painless.